Hi guys, 26 Jan is over and I hope that you guys must have enjoyed the Republic Day parade and especially the aero show. So guys, after flag hosting we generally wait for aero show because we all are very fond of aircraft doing some kind of aerobatics and the formation in which they come, different aircrafts performing different kind of functions and roles. So basically, I would like to talk about the vertical Charlie, which is generally being carried by Su-30 MKI. Like generally, it was carried out till now, but this year that role was carried by Rafael. So guys, we will see that how the aircraft do that vertical Charlie. So before that, please do like and subscribe the channel and watch this video till the end so that you also get excited and okay, wow, how this is done. So guys, let's start. I'll tell you basically, you have seen an aircraft. Okay, this is my aircraft model. So four forces act on an aircraft: thrust, weight, lift, and drag. So drag, I would say that when aircraft is moving forward because of its shape and the air, that is the drag which is stopping this aircraft to move forward. And the engines which produce thrust, so because of thrust, the aircraft moves forward. Aircraft has got some weight. Because of its weight, it is supposed to go down, but the lift which is acting upwards, that lift factor which acts upward, it takes this aircraft up in the air. And as you know, thrust, it helps it to move forward. So basically it's the airflow which is flowing over the wings, so aircraft is moving at a faster pace on the wings. So when aircraft is moving, the air is moving over the wings, which produces the lift, because here you have low pressure and in the wings you have high pressure, so it pushes the aircraft and aircraft moves up. The wings produce lift and the aircraft moves up. So talking about vertical Charlie. So generally the speed for vertical Charlie is around 900 kilometer or so. We don't want to cross 1 Mach because if we'll cross the speed of sound, that barrier if you cross, then shock waves are produced and it is like hitting a wall. So aircraft has to produce more power to overcome that. So aircraft generally do it at different heights depending on different kind of periods. Yeah, like we have green period or red period because of bird activity. So people need to understand that also. And as per the profile, what it is decided and how we are going to carry out the maneuver. So guys, aircraft comes level, I would say that aircraft is coming somewhere at around 3000, 4000, 5000 feet. Aircraft maintains a speed of around 900, 950 kilometers per hour. Aircraft comes level and then pulls up and opens full throttle with reheat, because this time your wings are not producing the lift, because once the aircraft is going vertical, the wings are not producing the lift. We are converting the speed of the aircraft into height, and with afterburner on, you'd say that with reheat, the aircraft moves up and carries out the roll. So thing to remember, once aircraft is moving and it starts pulling up, guys, there is so much of pressure on the airframe of the aircraft. And because of that pressure, if the airframe is not strong, the aircraft will shatter. Civil aircraft can also do this, but see, because of their size and because of their limitations, they cannot carry out those kind of maneuvers, because a fighter aircraft is small in size, it's more sturdy, and it is meant to do it. So that's why these aircraft do this. And but still, there's always the amount of risk which is involved in carrying out any kind of aerobatics we are talking about. So aircraft pitches up and carries out rolls. So generally people do ask that why it carries out roll in anti-clockwise direction, or I would say like carries out rolls towards the left. So guys, very simple explanation. Throttle is towards the left because once pilot holds the control, it is something like you have got a stick and you have got a throttle in your left hand side. So it becomes easy for the pilot to carry out the role, and most of them being right handy, recovery is generally we have the tendency to pull the aircraft, our hand moves in the right direction, so that's why it becomes easy to recover. So aircraft moves till a particular height, carries out rolls, and in the meantime aircraft dispenses flares. Now people do ask that why flares, not shafts. Because guys, shafts, they bloom, and they are more visible, they give more heat signature, and they become like a ball of fire kind of a thing which floats in air, and whose temperature is more than the temperature of the engine of the aircraft. So they stays in air for some time, and they bloom, so they look beautiful. So that is the only reason. Okay, very straight and simple, but still people do get confused about this. So we do use flares, and looks beautiful. Nothing more to add on to that. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you must have understood and liked it. So please do like and subscribe channel, and stay connected. We will see some more interesting facts in the upcoming videos. Okay guys, take care, bye bye, and Jai Hind.